morning, ma'am.
So it's true. Nabuntis ka nang hindi nagpapakasal?
Oo, ma'am, pero...
Pero ano? Naiintindihan mo ba kung anong magiging epekto nito sa imahe ng eskwelahan?
Ma'am, with due respect, walang kinalaman yung personal kong buhay sa pagtuturo ko.
But immorality does. Mr. Dad, you violated our ethical code. Our parents expect models of good behavior.
Hindi yung mura lang mabuntis, ma'am.
You only have two choices, Mr. Dad. It's either you resign or face dismissal. And trust me, being dismissed with gross immorality will haunt you forever. Your license could be questioned.
Pinipilit niyo ako?
We're giving you a chance to live with dignity, Mr. Dad. Remember, resignation is much kinder. So, we've already discussed this. If you still refuse to resign, I'm sorry, but we will proceed with this visa. You may now go.
May desisyon na kalay bago ako pumasok. Ma'am, thank you.
Ano, buntis ako at wagis ako na lang. Hindi niya ako mananagutan. Sabi niya yung kakasal na raw niya sa iba. Napakaunang kwenta mo, tama. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko.
Charlie, hindi masusukat ang halaga mo dahil ang iniwan ka ng ama ng dinadala mo. Alam kong maraming manghuhusga sa'yo. Pero andito ako, Charlie.
Tatanggalin nila ako. Mawawalan ako ng trabaho. Mawawalan nila lahat na parang wala ang lahat ng pinaghirapan ko. Pangarap. Pangalan at pamilya ko.
Oh, Mr. Dad, have you written your resignation?
No, ma'am. I filed a complaint.
For what? For the school.
Dismissing me illegally, particularly you, ma'am.
So you dare challenge the school now?
No, I dare to defend myself, ma'am. So please, excuse me.
This is the wrong way. Threats, judgment, discrimination, a violation of rights, a violation of dignity, a violation that escalates the case all the way to the Supreme Court. Now, watch how this moment should have happened.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. Laguna. Visit kami. Thank you for coming, Mr. Nami. So it came to us that you are pregnant. And I would like to say this clearly to you. Mr. Dan, you are not in trouble, okay? Your pregnancy is not a basis to dismiss you.
Ma'am, pero ano nagsasabihin ng ibang tao?
What people say is not the law, Mr. Dan. And the law is what protects you. To reiterate your situation, Mr. Dan, I would like you to read this one. Pregnancy of a school teacher out of wedlock is not a just cause for termination of employment. Absent and showing that the premarital sexual relations and consequently pregnancy out of wedlock are indeed considered as disgraceful and immoral.
So, pwede pa rin ako magbubuha? Hindi niyo ako tatanggalin sa sitwasyon ko ito.
No, Charlie. Because it came to us that the father of the child has never been married. And the proof has been handed to us. And on top of that, he said that being a mother is not immoral. It is courage. And we will not punish courage. So he said that you will not resign, okay? You will not get dismissed. What you will receive is support. Schedule accommodation, schedule adjustments, medical accommodations, respect.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
You deserve it.
Good morning, Mr. Dad. I'm sure your class is excited to see me.
Mom, excited na rin ako makita sila.
Mr. Dad, I want to remind you that you are valued here. Not in spite of your pregnancy, but because you are a teacher who successful.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, so good luck for today.
Kaya na po yung klase ka na mo.